It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz and get ready for an impressive combination of features. External memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, command AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, power tilting steering column, agility control automatic suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,